Hey kids, I hope you all are fine. Well, I'm doing great. While I was thinking what should I make next, immediately an idea popped up into my mind to make something interesting for you all so that you may utilize this quarantine time in learning and practicing something new which you haven't done before. So let's start the video. Dear kids, what comes to your mind when you hear a word computer? Definitely a machine like this, a laptop, or this, a desktop, or a personal computer. Well, we'll discuss about these two in detail later, but first we have to see who invented the computer. So, kids, it was an English inventor named as Charles Babbage who designed the first computer in the 1830s. So, moving on towards the parts of a computer, the first part we have here is a CPU. It is called as Central Processing Unit, also called as tower. This is commonly considered as a brain of a computer and it plays a main role in working. Just as our brain remembers all the stuff and happenings of our lives, it also remembers about all the data that when and where we have saved it. Next comes the monitor. It works as a TV screen and it also helps you to see what you are working on. This is a keyboard and this helps us in writing our stuff, just as you can say a letter or a report. Okay, so this has 101 or 104 keys on it. So kids, you might have heard about a mouse and you have seen a mouse like this. But we have another mouse in computer which has two buttons on it, right button and left button. And in the middle, if you see, it has a wheel and it is called a scroll wheel. So this device is named as printer and printer helps us to take out the prints of our documents which we have worked on. This is a speaker and this helps us to listen to the music and other documentaries in a loud voice. This cute little device is named as USB. It is very beneficial in transferring data from one computer to another. So dear little cute kids, now you have a better idea about some parts of the computer and a little information about the computer. And now we are going to see all the things in detail and we are going to see what is a computer and how does it work, and we are also going to see its functions. And of course, we are also going to see where we can use it. So coming towards a computer. As you all know, and as I have told you before, that a computer is a device working with information and it is also called as data. Now the question arises, what is an information or a data? So these are the numbers, sounds, movies and games. And now we are gonna see where do we use computers. Computers are used at schools for doing practicals, at homes to play games, and nowadays, as you know, for to attend the online classes and to talk to your relatives. And computers are also used in offices to send emails and to make reports. And these are also used in factories. Moving towards the types of computers, we have supercomputers. These are very powerful, expensive, and fast computers. These are used by the scientists for complex work and for like forecasting and weather climate research. Next comes the desktop, also known as personal computers. These are used in offices, schools, and homes. And the last one is laptop and tablet. These are used for the same purpose as desktops are, but these are normally smaller in size and very easy to carry. Computer requires both hardware and software to work. Hardware is the computer's physical part which we can touch and see, just like a CPU. Whereas the software is something which you can see, operate and work on, but you cannot touch it like PowerPoint. Now as we have talked about PowerPoint, so it was a clue for you all that we are gonna learn how to work on it. So what is PowerPoint? It was created by Robert Gaskins to create presentations for offices, for businesses and for education purpose. And in today's video, we are going to work and learn about how to get started with PowerPoint. Okay, so here we are going to start the actual tutorial of PowerPoint. What you have to do is you have to click onto the start button, and here is the search box. Okay, as you can see, what you can do from here is you just have to click on it and you have to write POW and you will be seeing PowerPoint here. What you have to do next is you just have to click on it, and here is your main window of PowerPoint. This is the main window, and now I'm going to close it and going to show you the other way of starting PowerPoint. So this is the start button again. As you can see on my screen, it is also written start. So what we have to do now is you just simply have to click on it, as I'm going to click. So after clicking it, you will be seeing some alphabets here. Alright, no need to be worried if you are not seeing here any. It's A, B, C and a lot of different alphabets I have here till Z. So what I have done now is I am scrolling down to find the letter P, as I know I'm going to find PowerPoint in the letter P. So here comes the PowerPoint and the letter P. This is PowerPoint in front of you all right now, as you can see on my screen also. So if you don't see here the thing that is on my screen, like if you are having something different, so no need to be worried about it, as some of you are having a search box here and some of you are separately having it here, just the way I am having it in front of you on my screen. So please don't be worried, panicked or don't feel anxiety about it that yours and my screen is not same. So I'm again scrolling down and now I'm going to click onto PowerPoint to show you how to start it. Here I have double clicked on it and here is PowerPoint in front of you all again. So I'm going to click onto a blank document to show you where we have to work. Alright, we again have pressed a double click, so this is the main window in front of you all where we have to actually start our working. Alright, so this was the lesson for today. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial with me, and I really hope that you'll come back here again soon. So I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, give me your feedback, and Allah Hafiz everyone.